Hi, my name is Josh. I'm a student at JTech. Today we're going to be going over driveline angles. As you can see, we have our drive shaft right here. We're under the truck. First thing you want to do is make sure everything's ready to go. Pull your step clips out of here in order to get a good angle measurement. You take your protractor and a socket. What you want to do is you want to put it up in here, get your measurement. Then you'd also want to spin it, get your measurement on this side. That would give you the working angle for that one. Come down here to the next one, do the same thing for both sides. Get your measurement for here and your measurement for here after you've spun it. And then you compare the two and make sure that both of these measurements are within 1 degree of each other. If they're outside of 1 degree, then you have some problems that need to be addressed. Possibly some out and round, maybe with the bearing right here. So you have to ensure that the bearing's in good condition as well. And make sure everything's properly phased and ready to go. My name's Anthony. I'm also a student here at JTech. And again, we're going to be going over drive lines. So on this measurement, you're going to be going from here. You're going to want to make sure your protractor is facing the right way. And then you're going to spin it and do it again on the other side. And then you move down here. You also have your slip joint here, which that's not going to make a matter in this. But do the same thing on this. Make sure you take your snap rings out, spin it, and measure from here as well. And then once you put it all back together, make sure it's faced properly so that way you don't have any vibrations or anything else going down the line.
Hi, my name is Chin Van also here at JTech, and I'm going to continue talking about what we're talking about. To get the driveline angle, what you're pretty much they're trying to explain is you have to get your working angle first from each U-joint. You measure from 90 degrees down, and you get your measurement, and you spin it another 90 degrees, and you measure it from the other side. That's how you get your working angle. Then you have to move down on the same shaft to the other end, measure the same way, but you add up, you get the difference between the two working angles, and then you subtract or plus the working angle from the front of the shaft. That's how you get your difference. And it can't be greater than 1 degree or else it's off. Some things that can throw off your driveline angle is if the trunnion cap inside, the bore is out of round, and it can cause play. And just simply not being lubricated, you could wear it out as well. Or your needle bearings could be going bad. That's pretty much it.